concerned, the case is still with the Internal Affairs Service, Your Honor. And ongoing yung ginagawa ng investigation, Your Honor. Yes.
So anong status sa IAS? Pre-trial?
Good morning.
May summary
Good
hearing
afternoon,
na ba?
sir. We are done already with the investigation. We are now serving our notice to the
So tapos na yung
respondent.
pre-trial nyo?
We already filed the case against the respondents.
So summary hearing na?
For counter affidavit, sir.
So ano status?
PCI, pre-charge investigation for them to submit their counter affidavit, sir.
So I'd like to find out from the NBI kung ano na yung status ng criminal complaint.
The NBI made a parallel investigation on November 9. So that was 14 days ago. We are going to follow up with our NBI as to whether they have already concluded their report on the matter. The last time I talked to our chief, Tanti Giran, he was the one who went there personally. After I ordered the parallel investigation, he said that they're preparing the final report on the matter. So I hope that following this up with the NBI, we could file the appropriate cases or complaints if warranted.
Thank you, Senator Drilon.
With the permission of Senator Delano, which I asked previously, just a follow-up. Same issue, of course. Thank you. Of course. Don't worry, I'll watch your clock. We have a pending result of our investigation on AJK, and this is one of the focal points. Bakit nagtatagal kung lahat na ng ebidensya na andyan, na-investigate na rito, gaano ba katagal kailangan yan? Kailangan ba umabot ng 14 days? Kasi ang recommendation namin, sabihin ko na sa inyo, within 5 days, kung talagang malinaw, police. Dalawa naman ang pagdadaanan yan eh. I am addressing this both to the Secretary of Justice at saka kay General Bato de la Rosa. Number one, administrative case. General de la Rosa is authorized to immediately suspend or dismiss summarily. Summarily? No, nakalagay. And then two, sa Secretary of Justice, sa Secretary of Justice, kailangan ba tumagal lang 5 araw? Ano ba talaga ang reasonable amount? Because andyan na lahat. Andyan na yung SOCO. Overwhelming. Kaya na, itinanong ni Senator Leon, natanong na rin namin lahat yan nung araw at mabuti na reinforce, no? Makita nyo, all the signs of premeditated killing is there. How long does it take? Kailangan bang mabot ng 14 days yan? 5 days siguro, kukunin na lang yung mga affidavit yan eh. Pa-file. Bakit nagtatagal ng ganyan katagal? Yun, because it's parang we're grinding the people. Kung ikaw ay namatayan, kawawa ka talaga. Maghihintay ka na matagal. Gano'n ba dapat ang reasonable time na dapat ibigay sa inyo? Kasi kung ako yan, 5 days.
We will, Mr. Chair, we will follow it up with NBI to file the cases, the complaints that is warranted by the investigation. What happened here, Your Honors, is that the NBI did not actually conduct the investigation on the ground. All they did was get the different statements from the witnesses, and I think these are the affidavits or statements that were already submitted to the Senate.
Ang sinasabi po natin, halimbawa, yung 2 pulis, pumatay doon sa Mindoro, nabili sila ng kapwa pulis, pinatay nila si Luz. Nahuli. Nakakulong. Ano siste doon? Anong lalabasan niya? Ganon rin dito. Anong kakalabasan niya? Hindi naman namin sinasabing guilty na ito mga ito. Pero, how long does it take for the government to act and say, we are filing the case tomorrow? After 5 days of investigation, nakuha namin lahat ng ebidensyong. Malinaw na malinaw. Marami ng ebidensya eh. May testigo na, kompleto na. Bakit ganun katagal? Advise me, please. Or advise the committee.
I don't know, Mr. Chair, but I think the NBI during this investigation are not do not have the real evidence that are taken during the investigation by by the Philippine National Police. They don't know what happened to the CCTVs and other footages. But at any rate, Your Honor, you are correct that we should expedite the filing of the cases as it is almost clear.
Not just for this case, but for other cases. Ang dami. Pag nahuli ang pulis, automatic ang IAS. Itong contention ko may IAS eh. Dapat automatically, nakuha niya yung baril, ay yung pulis, inamin niyang binaril niya. Ang katanungan niya lang, ito ba justifiable self-defense yung ginamit? If after 5 days hindi niyo masolve yun, mukhang suspicious na ang tao kagad na wala mangyayari dyan. At humahaba ng humahaba. At habang humahaba ng humahaba, ang tao nagagalit sa gobyerno.
We see that, Your Honor, and we'll fine-tune the proceedings as the NBI is one of our touch agencies, and we are going to ask the NBI to expedite the investigation.
Ang pagkakaalam ko, sabi ni Senator Lacson, ang nag-imbestiga yung PAO.
No, nag-assist.
Nag-assist sa investigasyon yung PAO. Nakakuha ba kayo ng statement?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact,
Nagsabit
all
kayo ng
these
statements, di ba?
affidavits are already
Oh, dito,
have
di ba?
already been submitted.
So, hindi ba i-affirm na lang sa piskalya?
Pwede pong ganun lang.
Oo. Yun nga ho ang sinasabi namin. Bakit humahaba ng humahaba? Ang tagal-tagal.
Yes, Your Honor. The NBI investigation.
Secretary Aguirre,
So we will coordinate.
yes, ang
I'm sorry.
kumuha po ng statement doon sa mga inmates, sa mga guards, na inassist ng PAO, NBI.
Isa na lang. Okay.
So, sila rin po yung nakakaalam ng statements. Tama ba yun, PAO? Regional?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun po.
So, i-affirm na. So, pwede, no?
Opo.
Opo. So, nagkakalinawan tayo dito na kung malinaw na malinaw, dapat mabilis. May sense of urgency.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Pangalawa ho, sa summary dismissal powers of the PNP Chief and Regional Directors, hindi lang PNP Chief, Regional Directors, Section 42. The Chief of the PNP and Regional Directors after due notice and summary hearings. Katulad dito, may due notice, may summary hearing. Summary yan, ha? May immediately remove or dismiss any respondent PNP member in any of the following cases. When the charge is serious and the evidence of guilt is strong. Do you suppose, General Baton, that the evidence of guilt and the charge is serious in this particular case?
Your Honor, my power to dismiss is effective only after due process, Your Honor.
Sinabi ko dito, after due hearing.
Yes, Your Honor, yung due hearing, Your Honor, that's kasi pag marami na kasing kaso, Your Honor, na dismiss kaagad, gagawin yan ng mga itong dinismiss natin, gagawin nila yung technicality para ma-restate kaagad sila,
Sir.
Your Honor.
Sir, excuse me, kung walang gana lang, ano po, pulis ho yan eh. Binigyan ng bayan natin, ng otoridad, ang mga kapulisan na magdala ng baril. Kaya dapat, they're subject to a different, kaya nga summary hearing eh. Summary. Ito, administrative case ito. Administrative case itong gagawin nyo. Tatanggalin nyo yung may sakit na pulis, huwag ka muna mag-duty, suspendido ka o tanggal ka para hindi ka makapatay pa ng ibang tao. Ang sinasabi, yan malinaw sa batas. Kaya ako, parang dead letter law ito eh. Dapat, administratively, you're suspended or you're dismissed. In the meantime, he can appeal. In the meantime, inapatay, masaya inapatay yung pamilya dahil, at least gumalaw ang gobyerno. Pero pag hindi gumalaw ang gobyerno at napakatagal na ginagawa natin, magagalit ang tao. Kaya sinasabi, wala tayong magagawa. Para bang ang ginagawa natin sa tao pinapagod natin ang tao. Pahabaan ng pisay sa pera, pahabaan ng pasensya, at talo ang tao palagi pag ganyan ang labanan. Can you kindly answer, please? I'm sorry to have to put you to this, but you have to know that the law is there for us to implement, to enforce. That's why you're called law enforcers. Enforce the law.
Yes, Your Honor. After the full-blown investigation, Your Honor, I can...
After summary hearing, summary hearing. Tawagin niyo sila, ayan ang IAS, summary hearing, pagkatapos nun, administratively suspended, dismissed. Gusto mo mag-appeal? Pwede pa yan. Pagkatapos ng summary hearing sa administrative case, file ang kaso sa korte. Murder. Tama po ba yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pare-pareho naman mo, abogado ba kayo?
Hindi po, Your
Pero
Honor.
sa likod niyo, maraming abogado.
Meron akong director ng legal service,
O,
Your
sige po,
Honor.
yun lang po ang gusto ko sabihin. Thank you po. Nagagalit na sa akin si Senator Dillon.
Thank you.
Nakikita ko sumisibangot na. Sige po.
No, pero susundan ko yung tinatanong nyo. Yung pong proceedings dito, General De La Rosa, what the public heard in open hearing, the questions asked, the answers given, those who are responsible were given a chance to rebut, to explain, assisted by counsel. Would you consider this as a summary hearing? Pwede po ba yan? Dahil ang summary hearing, pwede po bang lahat na transcript dito ibigay ng IAS? Administrative lang ito eh. Ibigay ng IAS sa mga respondents. Ha? At masasagot man o pwede rin gamitin na basihan. Yun ba'y pwede para sa summary hearing?
Your Honor, can I request my director of legal service to answer your
Sure, sure.
question, Your Honor?
Opo.
Police Chief Superintendent Roque, Your Honor, my director for legal
Kasi
service.
po ang punto ni Senator Gordon, kung nakita naman ng taong bayan ang mga sagot at tanong, kung 6 na buwan pa, para sa pulis, administrative hearing lang ito. At ang due process is a situation where you are given an opportunity to defend yourself and to be heard. Yun ba pwede? Pwede bang bilisan natin to?
Mr. Chair, with your permission.
Please proceed.
Yes, sir. Yung pong binanggit ninyo na yung ating proceedings na ito sa
You're under the same oath, Yung last time.
Ako.
Na-administer ka last time, di ba?
the last time
Oh,
po, sir.
Yeah.
Sige.
Yes, sir. At this point, they are still allegations. So we will still have to give the respondents the opportunity to submit their counter affidavits. Your Honor.
Allegations.
Yes, sir. But during dependency of the
The testimony under oath are not mere allegations. This is already proof. This is evidence.
yes, Your Honor, I understand po.
Oh.
But we will still have to give the respondents the opportunity to answer.
Due process.
Yes, sir. To answer the allegations or to answer the claims.
That is what you call due process.
Yes, sir.
Si Mayor Espinosa ba nabigyan ng due process? Nung binaril ba siya doon sa kulungan sa provincial jail, may due process ba siya?
Sir.
So I think that's still a subject matter of the ongoing investigation.
Oo.
Come on. Ano ba naman?
Nabigyan, the Secretary of Justice, after responding to a series of questions, came to the conclusion that this is premeditated. Now, kaya ang tanong ko po, si Mayor Espinosa ba nagkaroon ng due process?
Given
Ako meron akong tanong, Senator.
Sige, sir.
Do you believe, based on what you heard, based on the statements, based on all the documents presented dito, I'm sure meron din kayo kopya, would you believe na merong preponderance of evidence? Because we're talking of the administrative case lang, would you believe that there is preponderance of evidence?
yes, Your Honor, given the testimonies and the documents presented at this point,
Thank you.
I believe there is.
Sige. So, may we know when the matter can be decided administratively with